Manchester United and new co-owner Sir Jim Ratcliffe wants Michael Olise to become one of the first signings of his new era at Old Trafford. The Crystal Palace star has been identified as key to vitalising Erik Ten Hag's woeful attack. A move for Michael Olise has been ruled out in January, but United have identified the 22-year-old as a transfer target ahead of a planned overhaul in their squad at the end of the season. Michael Olise signed a 4-year contract at Palace in August 2023, but his new £100,000 a week deal includes a release clause that comes into effect in the summer. The size of that release clause in his contract is unknown, but it is likely to be significantly more than the £35 million release clause in his previous Palace contract. Jim Ratcliffe has been given total control of football operations by the Glazers under the terms of his £1.3 billion deal to buy a 25% stake in United, and the Ineos billionaire is pressing ahead with plans to overhaul a disastrous transfer strategy at the club. But potential summer targets are starting to be identified behind the scenes. Olise is viewed as a player who could help revitalise United's woeful attack. Erik Ten Hag's side have scored just 22 goals in the Premier League this season, fewer than every team except bottom two teams, Burnley and Sheffield United. Olise could provide a fresh creative spark. The 22-year-old has scored 5 goals in 7 Premier League starts since returning from a hamstring injury in November, including 4 in his last 4 matches. Ratcliffe's takeover deal is yet to be ratified by the Premier League, but Ineos have already started taking control of the football operations at United. Crystal Palace does not want to lose Michael Olise, who moved to Selhurst Park in an £8 million deal from Reading in 2021, but would be powerless to stop him leaving if his release clause is met. Do you think Michael Olise can be the solution to Man United's attacking problems? Let us know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Manchester United news and updates. Thanks for watching.